Zoe Saldana won the Oscar for Best Supporting Actress this year, but was she a true supporting actress in the movie, or should she have been classified as a lead actress in the movie? Well, let's see where she ranks and stacks up in the last 10 years of Best Supporting Actress winners, ranked in terms of how much time they're actually on screen for the award they won. In 10th place with the least amount of screen time, Allison Janney in I, Tonya was in the film for just 15.5 minutes. And just 2 minutes longer than that was Jamie Lee Curtis in Everything Everywhere All at Once, clocking in at just 17 minutes. And then we have Laura Dern in Marriage Story at 18 minutes of screen time. So those three, Alyssa Janney, Jamie Lee Curtis, Laura Dern, I think are very much what you truly generally think about of like a supporting actor. They come in, leave an impact, and then they're out. We take a small jump up here to Regina King and If Beale Street Could Talk, who won her Oscar for 25 minutes of screen time. And just a couple seconds longer than that was Divine Joy Randolph in The Holdovers, just over 25 minutes as well. And just 30 seconds longer was Ya Jung Yoon for Minari, just at 26 minutes of screen time in that film. 4 is Ariana DeBose in West Side Story, winning for her performance. Is the same performance as Rita Moreno gave, which also had the same amount of screen time, about 28 minutes for her original adaptation of West Side Story. And then we take a big jump up here for Viola Davis in Fences with 53 minutes plus of screen time. That was where we're going to land on Zoe Saldana's performance in Amelia Perez with almost 58 minutes of time on screen. Notably, she was on screen longer than Carla Sofia Gascon, who was campaigned in the lead actress category. So, you know, the film was kind of following her. I mean, it was Amelia Perez after all for Carla Sofia Gascon, but still in terms of screen time, Zoe Saldana was the lead of that film. But still number one is Alicia Vikander in The Danish Girl at almost an hour of screen time for her performance. So still of the last 10 years, she's leading the way. Zoe Saldana came very close though, but I think the most interesting one to look at for these supporting actress performances is a stark contrast between under 30 minutes of screen time versus almost an hour of screen time. There's very clearly like two separate categories here. Obviously, when it comes to performance, screen time doesn't matter. It's about your impact and what you bring for the time you're on screen. And at the end of the day, there really is no clear criteria for who is a lead versus who is a supporting when you go to the Academy. You can really just kind of choose and campaign yourself, and the Academy will put you in a bucket.